build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some have called the kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu, and red. It has been called the color of power, crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. Now open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the
same time until it gets nice and snug.
Does the order matter? You put it wherever you want it, but you have to do a certain area. This is going to tighten onto the grip and switch itself.
Yeah, it's going to go on the same way those bitters do. Once you're happy with those builds, go ahead and leave them right here. I'll take one last look at it.
I think I'm happy with that, buddy. What do you think? Is that pretty cool?
Stabilization chambers. We must stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. It should only be done by someone with a lot of training and expertise. And Glenn.
Thank you, Kimber.
Believe me, Glenn. I'm going to send a test signal through the chamber system.
Ready?
What's happening?
Many folks silver now. Join they are. Yes. Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
It's Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch only. All together, we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your lightsabers. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber age. Like you, it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. Your lightsaber is your life. Keep it safe. Keep it close. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Tell us fire. Tell us fire. Now, my friends, go forth. Create your destinies. Don't regret this.
Hold it. Let's see, Cooper. Yeah.